Welcome to our updated guide on how to create a group chat on Snapchat. Let's explore the simple steps to connect with multiple friends in one chat session. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Swipe right to navigate to the chat screen where your conversations are housed. Once you're in the chat screen, look for the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this icon to initiate a new chat and begin the group creation process. Now, it's time to select the friends you want to add to the group chat. Simply tap on the names of the friends you wish to include in the conversation. After you've chosen all the friends you want in the group, tap on the chat button to create the group chat. Your selected friends will be added, and the group chat will be established. Congratulations! You have successfully created a group chat on Snapchat. Now, you can easily share messages, photos, and more with all the members of your new group. By following these steps, you can stay connected with multiple friends at once and enjoy lively group conversations on Snapchat. Start creating your own group chats today and enhance your social interactions in a fun and convenient way.